Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Kale and I'm just a plumber, but I'm a vehicle lover. So last year I bought myself a little Ford Ranger, got it for 1,800 bucks, got her on the road for like $3,500, and you know, it was worth about 10 grand when I was done with it. So I found another little Mazda B4000, which is the same as the Ranger, just a different, well, it's got different tail lights, kind of a box, and the front grill's all different, but all the mechanical and door panels and stuff like that are the same. So it's got the 4-liter in it. It's 4-wheel drive, 150,000 K. It's a standard. I wish it wasn't automatic, but oh well. It's got a dented bumper. I got a bumper already. I found a box for $300. I put a new tailgate there. I ordered new mirrors, both sides, and I've got a spare door here too to replace this. It's kind of creased pretty good. These fender flares look like they're popping off, but I'll put some new clips in there. Other than that, it's a pretty solid unit. I got some new shocks and stuff I'm gonna put on it, some spare ones, a couple new ball joints. I got a new skid plate. It looks like it's got a dent on it, but I'm hoping to get this one on the road for pretty cheap and flip it, or possibly put a lift on this one like my other one, a 5-inch rough country lift with the custom drive shaft 35s on 17-inch wheels, and you know, maybe even a box line or paint job, the whole truck black, and sell it as like an off-roading truck. Not too sure yet with the plans, but I'm gonna start off with taking off this box first, change out my shocks, check the ball joints if I even need to change them, figure out those fender flares, and then bring it in for body integrity. I should probably get that checked out pretty soon too, see if the frame's still straight, because if the frame's bent, then the truck is just going to be kept for parts, or I'm going to be making a sweet side-by-side out of it. Probably take the box right off, take the doors out, build some custom half doors, throw a dirty like 2-inch lift probably, but with like 35s, and just cut the wheel wells right out. She'd be dirty. But anyways, that's just a short vid on what's to come. I'll try and post some videos on here. Anyways, we'll see you later. Peace.